Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials: a working phone for SMS and a backup email if available. Once ready, open a modern browser and navigate to Accounts. Google.com, click Create Account and choose For Myself. You do this now to avoid interruptions since verification takes a minute. Make sure to use a secure network, not public Wi-Fi, because you'll enter personal data. After that, you're on the account creation form and ready to enter your name and birth date. Now fill the account form, type your name, a realistic birth date, and pick a username. Try variations if taken. Create a strong password of at least 12 characters that mixes letters, numbers, and symbols. Write it in a password manager. Next, enter your phone number and request the SMS code. Once you receive it, enter the code to verify. After verification, add a recovery email and accept Google's terms. These steps protect account access and make recovery faster. Finish by reviewing account settings, privacy, personalization, and sync preferences. Make sure Gmail is enabled. Once done, enable two-step verification. Use SMS, an authenticator app, or a security key to greatly reduce account compromise risk. Sign into Gmail to confirm the inbox and send a test email. If you hit a problem, try incognito mode, clear your browser cache, or use another device. If SMS fails, request call verification or use the backup email. This completes setup and secures your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.